Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome back. Good morning. It is Charlie. It is June 17th, 2021, Thursday. Oh, and I am once here. Didn't think I would be back here at this way, but I'm back at my bus stop. Waiting for the 51 to get here. Because, well, as you saw yesterday, flat tire, yeah. Someone commented, is there a plug? Yeah, you know, unfortunately for that, you have a small area surface. You couldn't really, they do have plugs, but that split was all the way across the tread. So it was just, and as I was saying yesterday, thinking back to what I thought I heard, yeah, that was a pretty loud pop, but it just sounded like a backfire. I'm so used to two different sounds. It's from a bicycle tire and from a car tire. And a bicycle tire, when it blows, I've only heard it a few times when I've experienced it. It's pretty loud, but I didn't think about it. And the ride really wasn't too much. Only going uphill, I saw my speed diminish by about 2 miles. Is this my bus? Okay. Let's see. I think. Hold on, folks. Nope, not my bus. I thought actually. I was using it so much that I thought the motor was going out, and I'm thinking, oh Christ. Here I'm looking at probably $400 to replace the motor hub. That's how much the motor to replace the scooter is. About $498, I think. $398, $498. The tires dropped considerably. It was about $89, $93 the last time I checked. And that was shortly after I got the scooter, but it's dropped considerably. So that was a big blessing. So I'll see about see where my finances are tomorrow and all. I have to get one either way, but yeah, it's not as stressful as I was thinking. Still, again, that's why we work. So these kind of incidentals can be taken care of begrudgingly and grumbling, right? But, I don't like to part with money in that fashion. I'd rather have a good time with it, but I guess that's my investment. That brings me good times also. My friends, wow, there's a lot of time. I mean, seeing traffic from the scooter is one thing as it whizzes by, but now watching it here, wow, we are densely open. I guess maybe I haven't seen it in such a long time. Dare I say it seems even more. All right, my friends, we shall continue. All right, well, we have a summertime impromptu ring. This is cool. All right. The bus is here. very close to the foothill because I did miss the Angeles Crest. Yeah, there goes phones over there by now. I just looked on my Citizen app, and it's actually right over here to the left. It's the Art Center. There's a fire over here. And that is actually up that way. Actually taking this street. I was going to do a little video through there once. See the helicopter. So some of the smoke is right up over there, but a good deal is drifting over this way. It's right over there. I am currently, I had checked, I thought I had remembered correctly, and I did. Luckily for me, I still had $25 on my Uber account, so I just called Uber, and now I'm ready. We'll be here in about 5 minutes, but this is Linda Vista. This is a doggone cute street right here. Actually, right, that is the way to go up to the Art Center where the fire is located. I don't believe it's at the Art Center. I think it's just close by it, but still, access is being rerouted and stopped. Pretty sad. You can kind of see, actually, as the rain, you can see the curtains of the rain there. That I just experienced, so hopefully that helped quite a bit. I was just now noticing that. You can see the sheets of rain coming down, so seems to have fallen in that area anyway. Let's hope. Oh dear. Oh wow, he just took out that sign. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's never a dull moment with me filming, right? I'm always catching something. And it just started raining here. Fire's right over there, so ooh, there's more coming this way too. Love this. Kind of reminds me of Mazatlan when I was a kid. All right, I'm sorry. Oh. I am not in any hurry right now. Well, I mean, I am, but now I have to see about dialing up an Uber. Oh. Ooh. Well, I had a chance to look at the OSHA did the ruling today, so to paraphrase it more or less, it says employees do not have to wear a mask as long as they're vaccinated, and it's also dependent on the employer situation. So whatever, it's pretty much going to be left up to whatever house, whatever employer. If your place of business wants to have everybody, then pretty much I guess that you're going to have to make sure the stipulation. So, which is a good thing. I guess they're going to give the power to the employers and stuff. And then just as I was clocking out, I think I thought I saw, now it looks like that some things are really changing with employers. It looks like they're kind of wanting to do the same thing as they did in like, well, I was experiencing in Las Vegas, as they are here now. Hepatitis shots. Now, Las Vegas, if you work in the food industry, you're handling food, you are by the health department in the city of Las Vegas to get a hepatitis vaccination. That was no big deal, and that's understandable. That's really definitely to protect customers and guests alike, more so than to I mean, it's to protect the general public more so than the individual, but it does protect the individual. And I think I saw a list, a huge list, I think, that they may have us, but I think it's also understand that you can opt out not to. You know, I kind of had a feeling, I was actually thinking, well, I'm surprised that California hasn't gotten into the hepatitis vaccination for employees and stuff like that. So now I think that's coming to pass. And a lot more goodies being introduced to employees. You know, it just California's not with it anymore. I was actually thinking that had I won that, what was it that they were doing yesterday, the $1.5 million to like 15 Californians, I'd have taken that money, actually. Hightailed it to Vegas or anywhere in Nevada. I mean, just because $1.5 million here in California would probably have a lifespan of maybe, what, 5 years, honestly. 1.5 million. Good luck trying to buy a home with that and maintaining the taxes. Just the taxes alone. Property taxes here in California are just gonna start to really go up. That definitely saw coming. So anyway, all right, my friends, I'm gonna end it here, and I'm gonna hail my my Uber, and then hopefully tomorrow, knock on wood, I'll see if I can order a new tire. Still not as bad as having to order a motor. Ooh, I was really thinking that worst case scenario is a motor. It's like, I think it was $398 or $498 just for the whole assembly. So anyway, just a lousy little tire. So alright, my friends, you folks take care of yourselves, take care of each other, but always take care of yourselves first. Love one another, trust one another, be kind to each other, help one another. Don't take today for granted or any other day there. Live for the moment, hold it in your pants, and slide on that ice. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, we're doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button. Tell your friends and family about me, about us, what's going on. And they're like, who? He's on YouTube? Oh, you know, it's funny, kind of like when you're, if you have a YouTube channel, kind of chime in. Sometimes when you're doing a recording and stuff like that, and people look at you, and you happen to mention something that pertains to a channel or YouTube or so, like subscribe or hit the thumbs up or give a whatever, people turn around and sometimes they kind of like stave away from you because they don't want to be on social media. But I was watching on the news yesterday when they were doing the Dodger Stadium and everything, and they were raving about the attendance, and then you see all the people and everything, oh, hey, you know, they're on the news and stuff like that. It's funny, they wanna see themselves on the news more. on something more, I don't know, it's weird, but on YouTube they don't want to, oh no, I don't want to be on social media. But yet you're being on the biggest social media that has existed first in the internet, and that is television. All right, my friends, any comments, good or bad, please post, and I'll see you tomorrow. I love you all. Bye-bye.